In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid on Circle. So using a variety of monetization strategies, this tutorial will guide you through the steps you need to take in order to set up a paywall for subscriptions or one-time payments, monetize through premium content, and integrate with affiliate programs and other monetization strategies. So let's get started. First, let's talk about setting up a paywall. This is an essential step if you want to offer exclusive content that requires a subscription or purchase to access. To do this, you'll want to navigate to the settings where you can manage your paywall options. This feature allows you to create different pricing tiers, whether you're offering monthly subscriptions, yearly plans, or even one-off purchases. Take some time to think about what pricing structure best suits the content you're offering and your audience's needs. Remember, it's important to provide enough value at each tier to justify the cost to your customers. Next up, we're going to discuss monetizing through premium content. This is where you can really leverage the depth and quality of your information or services. With premium content, you're giving your audience something they can't easily find elsewhere. You might consider offering workshops, detailed guides, or exclusive Q&A sessions. The key here is to ensure your premium offerings are truly valuable. If your members feel like they're getting a unique and insightful experience, they're more likely to keep their subscription active. Consider asking for feedback from your community to see what kind of premium content they'd be interested in. Their input can be invaluable in shaping offerings that resonate and keep members engaged. Finally, let's explore integrating with affiliate programs and other monetization strategies. This step involves expanding your revenue streams beyond just subscriptions or one-time fees. With affiliate programs, you can partner with brands or services that complement your community's interests. By recommending products or services you truly believe in, you can earn a commission on referred sales. It's important to disclose these partnerships to maintain trust with your audience. Additionally, think about other ways you might monetize your platform, such as hosting sponsored content, collaborating with brands for special events, or even offering consulting services if it fits within your expertise and community demands. Remember, the key to successful monetization is striking a balance between providing value to your members and ensuring that your offerings are sustainable and beneficial to your business model. Be sure to regularly review and adjust your strategies based on member feedback and the evolving needs of your community. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you found these steps helpful and that you're excited about expanding your monetization possibilities on Circle.so. Stay tuned for more insights and updates, and happy monetizing!